This video we're going to talk about the buttons and specifically where they go and how you upload them. We got the banner they show up on, we have them in buttons, okay, whether you hit buttons or you actually go through the drop down to go to a more specific area such as Obama, how do they get there, as well as when we click details we get more information on that particular button. Okay, so first thing we want to do is log in. And on the left, you want to look for buttons. That's where I'm at right now. I'll go ahead and click that. And here is the list, at least at the time of this video. I'm going to go ahead and click the top one. We're just going to go over one I've already updated for you or added. Right here, we have the title. And let's see if we can find this. Actually, let me try to find this in the back, in the front end, so we can actually look at it. So here it is. All right. So we have the title of it, which we actually don't see right here, but we see it right here. Okay. So the title that you put here is the same one that shows up on the details page. All right. Same thing for the text. The text that we put here, if I can spell. Let me go ahead and just save this real quick. The text we put in this box is the same text that shows up here as well. All right, let me go back. Now, moving over to the right side, right over here, we're going to see our button categories. All right, and at the point of this video, the time of this video, I've uploaded at least what I thought was every category given to me. So you'll see that right in here. And basically, as you are creating a button, you simply check which category you need that to show up in. So right now I have 2012 and I have Obama. I think that's it. All right. And to kind of go back, I don't know if I covered this in another video that you've seen yet or not. But if we roll over buttons, we only see 3. And then this subcategory Obama over here, we only see these 3. And why do we only see these 3? Well, you're only going to see a menu item show up, a category show up if you have a button attached to it. So for instance, we have Carter. Well, we don't have any Carter buttons, so the Carter category is not going to show up. So when you're making a button, if you're adding it for the first time, such as Carter, you need to make sure that once you've done that, you attach the category in the menu. Now that'll be covered in another video, so if you're not sure what I'm talking about, watch the video on menus. But basically, you need to add a category to the menu so that it shows up. So, for instance, Carter's new. Once I'm done making this button for adding this new button, I want to go to Appearance, Menus. I want to make sure that new category is now showing up on the website. Okay, but like I said, that's another video. Watch the video on menus, and that'll make more sense to you if you're not really following me. Over here on the right is the featured image, and this is where we upload the image that shows up for this for the button. So these right here, okay. You only have to upload it one time, and the site will automatically set it up for multiple places. One time, your product URL. So I know that we're referencing people. Hey, go to eBay, or you're sending them somewhere else. This is what you'll put here. Excuse me. If they let me back up a little bit. On the purchase link, that's where you want them to go to eBay, wherever the case may be. So when they click purchase, whatever you have in this field right here, that's where it's going to go to. So your eBay link, or it's your email, or whatever, or it's your contact page, whatever, that's going to go there. Okay? Your text, that is the text that actually shows up on the banner down here. So any kind of brief clip of text you want will show up here. Now that's only if it's on the banner. Okay? And for it to show in the banner, we actually have to make sure we click Show in Banner, Show. If you don't want it in the banner, make sure it says Not Show. And by default, when you make a new one, it's going to automatically default to Show. So if you don't want it, make sure it says Not Show. Next is the tape text. And by tape, we mean this section right here, Save America, Don't Be Stupid, Vote for Bo, that kind of a thing. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and create a new one from scratch so you can kind of see it all kind of play out. Okay, so let's go ahead and I can create add new from right up here when I'm already in a button section, or I can do add new from over here. It doesn't matter. I can do add new from here. And let's see, what do I got here? Okay, kiss me. I'm conservative. Text here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and upload my picture, set featured image. Select my files. Where are we at? Here we are. It's going to go ahead and upload. Very important, we want to make sure we use as featured image, not insert, but use as featured image. Okay, that's done. Go ahead and close this out. We can see our image. Now, category. I don't really see anything for this, so I guess we're going to have to go ahead and make one, just for the sake of this video. Conserve, if I can spell. Conservative. Click add new category. It should automatically check it for me, which it did, so now I have a new category. Alright, our product URL, where's this going? I don't know. This is a demo. Our text, if it's going to be on the banner, the home page, which I'm not going to put it on the home page, so right now I need to make sure I change show on banner to not show, that way it's not showing on the home page. And now our tape text that goes in that little ribbon across it, so let's see, I'm just going to do kiss me. Thing looks to be pretty good. Let's go ahead and publish this. Now, if I come back to the site, if I click buttons, I got it. Here it is, right here. First thing, kiss me, the button. If I click details, here's the big picture. Here's the purchase, the text, the title. Now, what we don't see, and I went over this before, is the conservative link. And I know I said I wouldn't go over this, but real quick, I'm gonna go over this really fast. So, like I said, you're still gonna have to watch the menus video to kind of keep up. I'm going to go to the menu section, and I'll see that it's not in here. The conservative menu link is not in here, is it, right? But if I come down to the button category box, I see conservative. So I'll check it, add the menu. Here it is, right here, see it? Now I need to add this in here. I don't really know where this is going to go, so I'm just going to do below the Republican one. Save my menu, come back to the front end. Now, if I roll over buttons, I have conservative. And if I click it, it's only going to have the one. Okay, that's it for buttons. It should be pretty easy. You upload, fill in the information, save.